Hello students, here we are again for the another part of this division chapter. So till now we have learned all the two-digit numbers division, three-digit number division with the remainders. So we'll be doing the four-digit number with the remainders. So here it is this one. So dividing four-digit numbers with no remainder, division of four-digit numbers by numbers of 2 to 10 can be done using division. So here are some of the sums which are being given here for as examples. So now we'll be doing the exercise. So there is a first one, that is 24/16 divided by 3. So how we'll be doing it? That is 24. So does 24 comes in the 3 table? Yes, students. 24 does come. So how many times? 8 times. 3 8s are 24. So we have written this. 0 comes over here and we'll be writing 1. So when this situation is there, and we'll be writing 0 over here because 3 is smaller, and when 3 is bigger than 1, and we'll be not writing the second digit, so we'll be writing 0 over here. So 1 comes as it is, and we'll be writing 6 over here, then it becomes 16. So does 16 comes? No, students. Yes, 15 does come. So how many times? It's 5 times. So I'll be writing here 0 over here because we have taken the 0 here. So 3 5s are 15. So the remainder will be 1. Okay, students, this is how we'll be doing the next one, that is 67/63 divided by 5. So how we'll be doing it? So first we'll find out the smaller digit, that is given 6 over here. So we'll find out the smaller digit, that is 5. So 5 ones are 5, we have written here. Then it becomes 17 because 6 minus 5, that is 1. So we have written this. So 5 3s are 15. So that is smallest than 17. So we have written this. And 7 minus 5, that is 2. We have written this. That becomes 26 because 6 is written in the third step. So it becomes 26. So 5 5s are 26. So we have written this here and 5 here. And when we minus 26 by 25, so that becomes 1. So we'll be writing another digit, that is 3. That becomes 13. So after that we'll be writing out smaller digit, that is 3 2s are 10. So here we have written 10. So when we'll be dividing 13 by 10, that comes is 3. So what we'll be writing over here, that quotient is 1352 and the remainder is 3. So this is how we have to do it. So let's see some exercises like this one. 3298. So we'll be writing here, and that is divided by 3. 3. So this digit will be divided by 3. So how we'll be doing this? Let's see. That is 3 ones are 3. So that will minus it, that comes 0. Then 2 will come, but the 2 is smaller than 3. So we'll be writing here 9. So we're writing here 9. So does 29 comes in the 3 table? No, students. But yes, the smaller digit does come, that is 3 9s are 27. So we'll be writing here like this. Okay. So 29 minus 27, that comes 2. Okay, students. So this is how we have written. So 8 will come here. It becomes 28. So 28 even not doesn't come. So we'll be writing here 27 again. and then 9 over here, that comes 1. So this is how that comes 199 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So this is how we have to write it down here. 199, and that is remainder is 1. Okay, students. So now we'll go for the another one, that is 7518 divided by 4. So we have to write it down like this: 4 7 5 1 8. Okay, students. So we'll be doing it. 4 ones are 4. That is 7 minus 4. Yes, students, that comes 3. Then we'll be writing down 5 over here. The remaining second digit will come down. So now we'll be writing here at least 8, because 35 doesn't come in 4. So what comes? That is 32. That is smaller to 35. So how many times? 8 times. So like this, 32. So when we'll minus 35 by 32, that comes 3. So here we have written like this. Okay, that is 3. So we'll be writing again. The second digit comes here like this, 1. Okay, it becomes 31. So even 31 doesn't comes in 4 table. So we'll be writing a smaller digit, that is 28. So it comes 7 times. 4 sevens are 28. So here. Okay, student. 31 minus by 28, that is 3. Okay. So again we'll be writing here 8. The next digit will come down. So we'll be writing the another digit. So thus even does 38 doesn't come. So we'll find out the smaller digit, that is 36. How many times? 9 times. 4 nines are 36. So here we have written. So 38 minus 36, that is 2. Okay, students, this is how you have to solve this problem. So we'll be writing here like this: 1 8 7 9. That is your quotient, and the 2 is remainder. Okay, students. So this is how you have to do all these sums. So we'll doing the another one, that is 6927. So that is 8 and 6927. Okay, students. So we have to divide this. So does 6 is smaller than 8. So we have to combine 2 digits. That becomes 69. So we have to get 69 in 8 table. So in 8 table, 69 does not come. So which digit comes? That is smaller. That is 64. How many times? 8 times. 8 8s are 64. So we'll be writing here 8, and that is 64. Okay, students. So when 69 minus 64, that becomes 5 over here. And we'll the remaining digit, that is 2, will come here. Okay, that becomes 52. So does 52 comes? No, student, 52 doesn't comes. That means we have to go for 8 6 are 48. Yes, students, 8 6 are 48. That is smaller than 52. So 52 minus 48, that is 4. Okay, so the remaining digit, that is 7, will come down, and that is 47. 47 doesn't come in 8 table. We have to find out the smaller digit, that is 40. 4 5s are 8 5s are 40. So here we have to write it down here like this. So 47 minus 40, that comes 7. Okay, students? So we will be writing like this: 8 65. That is the quotient, and the remainder is